Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. Several of you guys requested for a tutorial on how to use FSMOne. So here it is. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to use FSMOne. Then tell you some tips and tricks. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight to it. Signing up to FSMOne is pretty easy. All you gotta do is go to fundsupermart.com, click on the tiny open an account button at the top right side. Then click I'm a new FSMOne client, new personal account. Now, if you have seen past my info, you'll be able to open your account and start investing within minutes. But if you don't have, GG lor. You have to fill the form manually and get approved within 1 working day. By the way, when signing up, you can use my referral code to sign up, and you will get a huge thank you from me. And that's all. FSMOne doesn't reward you for signing up with a referral code, which kind of sucks. So if you don't use my code, it is still okay. But anyway, just go ahead and open up your account, and let's fast forward to when your account is finally ready to start investing and when you are ready to become a millionaire. Now that your account is ready, the next thing you need to do is to transfer your money into your account. That's right, to get rich, you first need money. Cool, huh? So let me switch over to my computer. As you can see, we are now in FSMOne. The first thing you will notice is there are so many buttons. I remember getting all confused when I first logged in. What to choose, which to click, so many decisions to make. But anyway, let's ignore all those and focus on the task at hand, which is how to transfer money in. So let's go to cash, making payments, scroll down to making payments part. There are a few methods which you can use to transfer money in. I will quickly go through each one. The first method is fast transfer. As the name suggests, the transfer will be very fast. Generally, it will take around 30 minutes. If it's not on weekends and public holiday. If you are using Standard Chartered Bank, the transfer will take 1 business day. The second method is through PayNow UEN. Again, the transfer will take around 30 minutes if it's not on weekends and public holiday. If you are using Standard Chartered, the transfer will again take 1 business day. The other few methods are internet bill payment, check, telegraphic transfer, bank drafts, and you even have recurring top-up. All these methods will be super slow and will take at least 1 business day to process, which by then the stock will have already ran up 50%. And if you miss it, you cry until no tears, also no use. So we will mostly be using either fast transfer or PayNow UEN because the transfer will be the fastest with these methods. Let me just quickly show you how to transfer with fast transfer. I'm using DBS Bank, so let's click on DBS Bank, then follow the instructions. As you can see, I'm in DBS Bank now. Click on transfer to another bank's account. For paying to, choose add new or select existing recipient. For recipient's name, copy-paste the recipient's name from the instruction just now. For recipient's bank, mine is Standard Chartered, but for yours it may be different. Copy-paste the recipient's bank account number, choose your account, then enter how much you want to transfer over. For purpose of transfer, you can choose anything because it's just for your own reference. Maybe choose investment and securities. Lastly, for the comments, copy-paste your account number. It's important that you do this, otherwise they might not know who transferred the money and your money will take longer to arrive. Then click Next to transfer. When you are done, you have to wait about 30 minutes if you are transferring on a weekday. In the meantime, you can help to tap the like button to help support the channel. And let's jump forward to when the transfer is complete.
20 minutes later.
Alright, now that you have funded your account, you are finally ready to buy stocks. Now, there are several ways to do this. The first way is to go to Stocks, Live Trading, then search the stock by name or symbol, like Mapletree Logistics. But I will show you a much faster way. See this magnifying icon here? Click it and just type in Mapletree Logistics and you will get this. The Mapletree Logistics stock is M44U. How do I know? If you are unsure, you can just open up Google, type in the stock name, then add stock behind, like Mapletree Logistics stock, and you will see this. SGX M44U. That's the stock ticker symbol. Now, if you go back to FSMOne, you will see the ticker symbol M44U. That's how you know this is the stock. The others are just bonds and news articles. Now, at the stock page, you can see everything about the stock, like what's the sector, what's the price, valuations, dividend info. You know, all the good stuff that makes you feel like you are a good investor that has done all the research before buying this stock. There's even a calculator for you to check how much you will need to spend when buying the stock. Anyway, let's scroll back up and click Live Trading. Then click Go to Live Trading. Now you are at the Live Trading page and Mapletree Logistics is bookmarked. Just click Buy. For action, make sure it's Buy. For validity, if you choose Day, it means if you didn't manage to buy it by today, this order will expire by today. GTD means Good Till Date. You can choose which day this order will expire. Generally, I prefer day, so let's leave it as it is. Settlement mode is cash account. Settlement currency is SGD. Order type, limit order. For quantity, it depends where the stock is listed. If the stock is listed in Singapore, the minimum quantity is 100, and you can only buy in hundreds like 100, 200 and so on. If the stock is listed in US, the minimum quantity is 1. So let's enter quantity 1 million. Just kidding, I don't have that much money, so I will just go with 100 instead. For price, choose the price that you want to buy the stock at. Now you'll see the total of how much you need to buy this stock. Enter your password, then click preview order. Make sure everything is alright before you submit your order. Okay, that's all for buying of the stock. Selling of the stock is exactly the same, but instead of buy, you just click sell. Now let's imagine that your stock have went up 1000% and now you are a millionaire. Now you want to withdraw your money and throw a letter to your boss tomorrow. Just imagine only, yeah. Don't do that please. For withdrawal, go to cash, withdrawal. Enter in the withdrawal amount. Then for the bank, just fill it in if you haven't done so. Type in the password, then proceed. Alright, that's for withdrawal. Now I will tell you a few tips and tricks about FSMOne. First of all, about the fees. Some of you will know that FSMOne is not the cheapest broker. Its minimum commission is $10 for Singapore stocks and ETF. And for US stocks, it's $8.80. But with that being said, FSMOne has a really good feature that not many brokers has, and that is Regular Savings Plan, short for RSP. What this is just automatically invest for you every month, which is also known as dollar cost average. There are many studies which show that dollar cost average will outperform trying to time the market, but instead failing to time the market. Like how I always time my stance wrongly in LOL. With RSP, you won't have to manually invest. Instead, FSMOne will automatically invest for you. All you need to do is just set out what stocks you want to buy and hand them your money. And the best part is, if you are investing with regular savings plan, your commission is just $1 or 0.08% every time. So do consider FSMOne if you prefer to set once and forget it kind of investment style. The second feature that I want to talk about is the auto sweep account. Whatever money you have in this account, it will earn a 0.661% interest, which is kind of okay I guess. I know it's not a lot, but little bit of money is still money. There will always be some spare change in your account, whether it's your money when you are preparing to buy stocks, or your balance after buying stocks, or dividends. Whatever it is, you can transfer the extra money into the auto sweep account. A way to do this is to go to cash solutions, then at the auto sweep account, click on instant enrollment. By enrolling into this, FSMOne will automatically transfer all your money into this account. Then invest your money into short duration bonds and some money market funds. That is how they are able to pay you some interest. However, here's a downside. If you want to withdraw your money, you have to wait for 3 business days for the withdrawal to complete. So be mindful about this. You don't want to have your money stuck in there earning a 0.661% interest while the stock you want to buy chong up by over 10%. So that's all about FSMOne. Hopefully this video helps you out a little. If you want me to make more tutorials, do comment down below. Let me know what kind of tutorial you want me to make. Also, do join my Discord server where you can discuss about stocks and personal finance with everyone there. So that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday and sometimes Friday. See ya!